I have been testing out a few AutoDS alternatives to see which ones actually hold up, whether you're dropshipping on Shopify, Facebook, or wherever. If you want to try any of this while I walk through them, I'll drop my affiliate links below. Some of them have free trials, so make sure to use them, and they would also help us support this channel, but don't worry, it's completely optional if you'd want to use it. So first is we have DSM tool. This is great for beginners. It has a clean interface, works well with eBay and Shopify, and lets you bulk import products with automated pricing rules. So you want to use this if you're just starting and don't need tons of bells and whistles. This keeps it simple. Next is that you got Zendrop. So this is more than just automation. Zendrop handles private labeling, US fulfillment, and branded invoicing. So you want to use this if you are scaling and wanting to build a brand, not just push trending items. And lastly, we have Dropified. This is a powerful platform if you want to go multi-platform. It connects to Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. Plus, it has cool extras like TubeHunt for finding video ads. So you want to use this if you are a seller wanting full control and deeper integrations. So yeah, these are my top 3 lists. So if you'd want to know the 4 and 5, then kindly comment down below if you'd want me to make a video out of it. So overall, AutoDS is solid, but these 3 give you different strengths: simplicity, branding, or flexibility, depending on where you're at in your journey. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.